This is the Superabrasives EX50 Diamond/CBN grinding wheel optical profile dresser and balancing system for generating concave and convex radii up to 4-inch. Travel capability of the grinding spindle eliminates the plunge and redress cycle, allowing a straight wheel to do the work, maintaining a straight form and flat form.
And taking a walk around it, front end obviously, control panel, operator, keyboard, mouse, monitor. We're not under power yet. I'll power it up on camera. 2 axes right up here for positioning the one spindle right here, the work spindle. And the other guy back here, this will swivel. This is hydraulic and traverses. Right now the hydraulics are off. This will lock when I go to power it up. So that sits there. And this will traverse back and forth depending on where we put the switches at. And there's another axis movement right here too, off of this dial. So, and moving up from there, you're up kind of there is the vision system, the camera. Again, that'll turn on too, and we have the IC capture software. And again, it's got a setting here for a slide. There's also a setting for focusing on the camera itself too. So, do a quick walk around. So that's that. This will do 180, I believe. We're all the way from here. There's a dead stop. Yep, all the way to somewhere over here, I guess. So, we'll go pretty far. And that's it. Nothing else back here except a couple of cables. We're temped in, but it's not too bad. Our DROs are upstairs. There's not much going on back here except the power cord, which is 220, 3-phase down on the floor here. I just got it temped in the back of the panel. And coming up on the main panel, and the small door, the access door, of course, to now start the computer, which is a little button right there. You can't see it, but it's the size of the computer. You see it better out here. That's the main box. That's the gig E Ethernet power supply right there for the camera hanging on there. And the rest is a standard switch gear, the Reliance drive for the spindle down low, and the other drive for the other spindle for the tool holder. That's that, and like I said, I got the Fagor units up on top, 3-axis. This is for the radius slide, and this guy right up on top here is for these 2 slides down here off the, again, for the cutter, for the grinding attachment, whatever you're using up there. So that's that. I'm going to get inside the door here and just power it on. Bring it up, and we'll be able to see the software power up. All comes on, drive is on, you can hear it. That brings these guys up online. And I just got these kind of hanging here for now, but they work fine. Let's just reset these so we can show them. Let me clear that, clear those are all good to go. And let's power on. E-stop is off. And well, let me start the computer first, I did say that. Let me push this button in over here. Watch the display come up. Comes up pretty quick. Windows. And there we are. Just about got it. And there's your IC capture right there. There's your camera software I'm going to click on. So I'm just going to hit that once. Open that up. That's the camera software. That's sitting, there's our grinding wheel right there. And this is the lens. I'll show you in a second. Let me get rid of log me in crap here. There we go. And we can kind of go do another walk around as we're running. But so that's the camera vision system. And I can just briefly go on the camera here. We're not focused in real tight. That's getting closer. You can kind of go where you want with this, but it's coming back. There we go. So it's good enough for what we're doing. I can turn it on and we can reciprocate hydraulically and it works fine. While we're here, you can go up to the Fagors. That's these guys here. There's one of them. And you can see where my hand's at down low here if you want. That's this guy. And the other one on that box right above it is for this. And we go down to tenths, which isn't bad. And then if you watch, I'll do the radius. That's the other one over here, which is kind of nice because the hydraulics are off still, so I can just kind of move this. Am I clocking? Yeah. So that's that. those are the 3 axes on the fade guard. That said, I'm gonna power up. I've already got the video system on. The video system provides power to the computer and the camera and of course the illumination down low. I'll show you in a second. So power on and hydraulics on. We're running. And that said, we can turn on the hydraulic travel slide here if you come around a little bit here. See, I'm locked in right now. And I can turn it off on the switch. That unlocks it. We put it where we want. Lock it back up again. Now it's locked. And open up the lock. And once you open up the lock, it goes at the preset dogs, which I've got them real close so you can see it up on the camera. These slide out about 6 inches. And here's the flow control valve, so I can really slow this thing down if I want. Almost, I can stop it really, or go a lot faster, so whatever you want. So now go up to the camera and you'll see this up on the vision system up there. You slow that right about there maybe. Let's just have an idea there. And then while you're there, I'm going to turn that wheel on, which is just to your right here, and reset it and start it up. And you can see that spinning up. And I can bring it in a little bit too, of course, because I'm on that axis. See, I'm in tighter here. Or I'll back it up a little bit. He's getting off the edge now. Right there. Now come back up halfway. So yeah, that all works really good. Now I'm going to spin it up as long as you want to kind of pull back or look at the wheel, but I'm on the speed for the grinding wheel. I'm really low. That's like 50%, 30 hertz maybe. That's really flying now. I'm not going to go up real fast because I don't know if that's an imbalanced wheel that came to us used, so I don't want to take the chance on shattering it. But that all runs nice. I can lower that one off or shut it off just so you can hear the other spindle. For the tool holder, which is this guy, which is down low here if you see that bronze. I'm going to start that now. That's turning. That goes, of course, at a lot slower speed. There's about 30% there. There's 50. I think it's up pretty quick, a couple hundred RPM. You hear that clicking, that's that collet up in there. I'll show you in a second. That's turning. Yeah, you can just turn this off. That just stays there. And if you shut this off, I'm not even sure how it works, but this is all kind of floats in there, and you put your tool up in there. That's what you hear clicking right there. So that one works. One more time, I'll just power them up real fast. There's that one, and there's that one. And I can just unlock it, bring it back over here a little bit, and lock it back up again, or turn it on, and turn it off. So that's that. We'll shut that down. And really, there's not much else to show. That's pretty much it. Hydraulics I can shut off. Oh, the video system is still on. I can show you illumination on the backside here, just so you know where all that goes. You got some duct work and some other spare parts off to the side here. And there's the illumination system, which plugs into a power strip. And it's kind of neat. They've got it all cabled into the exhaust system, which backlights the camera tunnel there to show the vision, the camera backlit. So that all works nice. That's got an on-off switch. I just leave that on. I don't know if you want to do any of this here, but got some parts off to the side. So extra wheel guard, extra spindle, micro switch cable, some arbors, some spindle noses, and the duct work. It's all there. And that's pretty much it. If you want, I'm going to shut it down anyhow as you come around. So just to show, I mean, it's Windows. So we're just going to cancel this off, and let it shut down. When that's ready, that's good, and video system off. Done deal. We're good to go.